Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add notes to your card on the Stocard application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the cards button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom where you can find the all cards section and select the relevant card to which you would like to add your notes. So click on it, tap on the notes button below the barcode, and here you have a blank page to which you can type in your notes, so feel free to add any kinds of information. Once you have typed in your notes, click on the save button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen, and then your notes will be added to this notes section. So feel free to edit it anytime by coming back to this section, delete it and alter it. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.